Analytics has revolutionized the real estate industry by providing powerful insights that drive better decision-making. Leveraging data helps real estate professionals understand market trends, buyer behavior, and property performance. By utilizing analytics, agents can target their marketing efforts more effectively, refine their strategies, and ultimately generate higher quality leads. This data-driven approach not only maximizes efficiency, but also ensures that resources are allocated where they yield the best results. Whether it's identifying the most profitable property investments or understanding the preferences of potential buyers, analytics is a game-changer in transforming traditional practices in real estate lead generation. Choosing the right analytics tools is essential for optimizing real estate lead generation. Tools like Google Analytics provide valuable insights into website performance, helping you understand visitor behavior and conversion rates. CRM systems are crucial for managing client relationships and tracking lead interactions. Specialized real estate analytics platforms offer industry-specific metrics and insights that can fine-tune your marketing strategies. Selecting the right tool based on your specific needs ensures you get the most actionable data, allowing for informed decision-making and better resource allocation. The right combination of tools can significantly enhance your ability to generate quality leads. Understanding key metrics is crucial for improving real estate lead generation. Website traffic metrics tell you how many people visit your site and which pages attract the most attention. Lead conversion rates reveal the effectiveness of your site in turning visitors into potential clients. User engagement metrics, such as time spent on site and interaction rates, indicate the quality of the content and its relevance to your audience. Analyzing these metrics helps identify what strategies are performing well and what areas need improvement, enabling you to make data-driven decisions that optimize your marketing efforts and lead generation processes. Optimizing your marketing strategies through data can significantly boost lead generation in real estate. A/B testing allows you to compare different campaign elements, such as headlines or call to actions, to see which performs better. Content optimization involves refining your website and marketing materials to ensure they are engaging and relevant to your target audience. Targeted advertising uses data to identify and reach your ideal customers more effectively, maximizing the return on your advertising spend. By continually tweaking and refining your marketing strategies based on data insights, you can achieve better performance and generate higher quality leads. Continuous monitoring and adjustment of analytics data are key to maintaining effective lead generation strategies in real estate. Regularly analyzing data helps you identify trends, spot issues, and measure the impact of your marketing efforts. By making data-driven adjustments, you can refine your strategies to align with evolving market conditions and audience preferences. This ongoing process ensures that your campaigns remain relevant, efficient, and effective over time. Proactive monitoring and timely adjustments help you stay ahead of the competition, maximizes your marketing ROI, and consistently generate high-quality leads.